In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download videos from Amazon Prime Video on your PC. In order to get started, you'll need to make use of the Prime Video app available for Windows 10 or 11, as downloading directly from the Amazon website or via a web browser isn't an option. So let's dive right in and see how you can have your favorite shows and movies available offline. First things first, you need the Prime Video app installed on your computer. Navigate to the Microsoft Store on your PC and in the search bar type Prime Video. Once you find it, go ahead and install the app. It's a straightforward process. After installing, open the app and sign in using your Amazon account credentials. That will set you up to access the full library of content available through your Prime Video subscription. Now, let's find the video you're interested in downloading. In the app, simply navigate to the movie or TV show you wish to watch offline. This could be a popular series or that blockbuster film you've been eyeing. Click on the video to view its details page. Here, you'll discover more information about the video and, crucially, if the title is available for download, you'll see a download button right on the page. Once you've confirmed the video is available for download, you can click the download button, initiating the process. At this point, you'll be prompted to choose your preferred video quality. Usually, the options range from standard to high definition. If you're concerned about storage space, you might want to opt for a lower quality. Additionally, select the audio language you prefer if there are multiple language options available. With your settings all set, it's time to start the actual download. Simply click Start Download, and the app will begin downloading the video to your device. This might take a bit of time depending on the file size and your internet speed, so a little patience goes a long way. After the video has successfully downloaded, accessing it is simple. Just head to the Downloads section within the Prime Video app. This is where all your offline content will be stored, ready for you to watch whenever you want without needing an internet connection. Before you go on a downloading spree, there are some critical things to keep in mind. Not every title on Amazon Prime Video is available for download due to licensing restrictions. Furthermore, downloaded videos are intended for offline viewing through the app itself. There's also likely a limitation on how long you can store the videos and how many can be kept downloaded at any given time. Lastly, unfortunately, downloading to an external hard drive is not typically supported by the app. With these pointers in mind, you're all set to enjoy your favorite shows and movies on the go. Thanks for tuning in, and happy downloading.